my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have an all drugstore makeup look. I haven't done one in a while, and I got some products that I've been wanting to try out, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are interested in my all drugstore makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, love, so I am done with my makeup look. I did want to run down and tell you guys some of the products that I liked. So the first thing that I do like is these Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. This is like my first time ever trying it out and I love it. It's very nice. It's very good to blend out. I mean, I do prefer it with the sponge more than the brush, just because I feel like it applies the foundation much better. So I definitely love the Maybelline foundation. If you guys are looking for a new like satin foundation, I definitely recommend this one. It's very good. And then I also did try out this Gigi Hadid foundation eyeshadow palette from Gigi Hadid, and I do like it. Everything blended out very well. The only color that I did not like was the brown shade, because I couldn't like get it to blend out in my outer corner. But other than that, everything else looks beautiful. I love it, and for $5, can't go wrong. Get it at TJ Maxx because that is where I found mine. And then the Wet n Wild lip gloss, I love it. It's not sticky. I absolutely love it. If I haven't mentioned it before, I am mentioning it now. This is the Featherless lip gloss from Wet n Wild. Absolutely love it. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, loves.